What's up, YouTube? Rhino Dynamite here, and I'm back with another Bachmann Trains review. This time, it's Rail Chief. And as you can see, this one is a diesel. I hadn't gotten one of those in a very long time. And this set comes with a few accessories. Now, what do you say we flip on over here? And here is everything. We'll start with the accessories first. Here's the signal bridge. It's too hard for me to put together, but if I did put it together, right there is what it would look like. Here's 24 telegraph poles. "48 railroad signs. And 36 figures. Now let's move on to the set. As always, we'll start with the train cars. This is a plug-in door boxcar. It's the biggest car in the set, but surprisingly, it's not as heavy as I thought it would be. In fact, it's very light, but I think it's very well detailed. Here's a gondola car. Here's a hopper car. Like always, it comes with a load of coal, and the coal can be removed. And here's a very nice caboose. Now, let's move on to this engine. It's a very detailed engine. An EMD GP40 diesel locomotive. Number 3001. BNSF, Burlington Northern and Santa Fe. Very well detailed. I love the orange and black paint. Amazing thing is, the engine and the caboose are painted in the exact same colors. It's a very big model, very heavy, but it runs very smoothly. Of course, the coolest thing is right here, when the engine moves, the headlights turn on and they get brighter when the speed is increased. And unlike most models, it has a working tail lamp as well. They turn on when the engine moves and get brighter when the speed increases. Now, what do you say we get her running? Get the controller, and off we go. Full speed. Just look at the headlights. And the taillights too. Well, what did you all think of that? A very smooth runner, if I might say. Like always, I never really gotten a diesel for a very long time. And now I have 3. I'm mostly into steam engines, but there's nothing wrong with having a few diesels. I hope you all enjoyed that very well. And thank you so much for watching. And hopefully soon I'll get another set to review. But until then, I'm glad you all enjoyed it, and thank you very much for watching. Goodbye everyone, Rhino Dynamite out.